My people, how far now? What's the update? What's the way? Oya mona gather mo yarn this thing o, reach sharp o. This matter mona yarn so about this coalition wey they do, this ADC something. So people they resign, people they do this, they move ahead. Me no know sha. At the coalition abi won't be o. But I know one situation where be say we dey enter from fire pan to fire. Because the kind names when me they see for this coalition, so I no can they understand the matter, whether the matter clear. Really, I know they understand the matter, whether it clear as it be like this so. Because the kind of people maybe they see that time for HD when they move the dollars, so they move the doing so. Now to come they see say that they call the head the coalition, so they call it the top for the coalition matter so. Me no understand shao. But no wahala, some we they see in the coming days wetin go happen. Because of the truth, this coalition something is not that bad, because this one be the duty of opposition. The wetin they vex me pass in everything now the APC led administration. We still get 2 years to election. Oga, make una work. Many things dey for ground to do. People they suffer. But una yo dey play politics. Like 2 years to election. Una yo dey play politics. Una forget governance. Una need to do. Una yo dey play politics. The way they tire me for the APC na say APC they behave as if na they be opposition. What the APC they do so now opposition supposed to they do. That is just the truth. Now opposition yeah, they also like this. Don't be saying now you be the main party, now you the power, now you the also as if you be opposition. Governance don't let you do. You they use the 2027 election to they disturb everybody. What me want talk now say as human being, all of us know when we do good, when we do bad. If really APC feel say they govern well, they do everything they're supposed to do well. Why are they also members? Why are they also all those governors? They also they disturb our ear about 2027 election. Nobody will now pay for one side because we now believe in ourselves. Say I work. If the time reach, all those people go vote me because I do the right thing. The one that they disturb us with all these things safe because me no understand. Because times a lot of times still day before election for 2027. Many things still there to do. Everything now everybody they talk, governor, APC governors go they talk about 2027 election, 2027 election. I'll give Tinubu 500 billion votes. Now that one they also talk about. My guys, then that is not the priority for now. People they hungry. Things they stop now. Things need to be done for the country now. Maybe we see where they put our leg now, because things bad oh. I don't understand whether they don't they see him the way we take the see him. Or I might not say we because some people don't they see him. Whether they don't they see him the way me take the see him. So far the town of a truth so far day. My people, how reason this yarn is more yarn so. This coalition a good thing, I been a bad thing. That one on one side. APC how far you debate their performance so far since when they enter power. My people, mona not forget to like, mona not forget to comment, and that bell, mona not forget to ring down. My people, una do.